I'm not sure if you're going to be able to hear it. There it goes. There are woodpeckers on my neighbor's house, 2 of them, and they're pecking at his metal edging on his oh, I just scared the one. Anyway, ahoy mateys, Captain Richie Rich here. Welcome back to your daily squawk. That was funny. I thought there was machinery running, but there was like 5 woodpeckers surrounding this house. I think I scared them all off when I got there. Anyway, it's Sunday, and since it's March is my birthday month, we are going to Rainforest Cafe today to celebrate with my Landrys Select Club. They give me free food once a month. So I will catch up with you then. Have a blessed day.